Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Martinez local and long-distance movers near me. When it's time to move across the country or to the next state over, we can help. Any move over 100 miles requires the right long-distance movers. Our team of movers will offer you the help you need, no matter the size of the move or how far you're going. With our moving services, you get everything you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you hire a California moving company, you'll be able to make your local move so much easier. With the help of local movers, you won't need to recruit friends and family to help with your move. Professional movers can also help to save you plenty of time on moving day. A local moving company, such as 3 Movers, offers a streamlined moving process. We give you the help you need for the heavy lifting. If you want to get settled in faster, our team will help you no matter how far you need to go. A move that might take you all week to complete, we get done in less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Martinez moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.